Kris Jenner, often referred to as the Momager, is a prominent figure in the entertainment industry. As the matriarch of the Kardashian-Jenner family, she has played a pivotal role in building a media empire around her children. In this article, we will delve into Kris Jenner's net worth and explore her diverse investments. Net worth of Kris Jenner. Kris Jenner's net worth is estimated to be approximately $190 million as of 2023. Her wealth primarily stems from her involvement in various business ventures, endorsements, brand partnerships, and the success of the reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. However, it is essential to note that her net worth is subject to fluctuations due to the dynamic nature of her investments. Investments and business ventures. Television and entertainment. Kris Jenner's notable investment is the reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which catapulted her family to global fame. As the executive producer of the show, she played a pivotal role in its success. The show led to multiple spin-offs, including Kourtney and Kim Take Miami and Khloe and Lamar. Brand endorsements and partnerships. Kris Jenner has leveraged her influence and business acumen to secure lucrative brand endorsements and partnerships for herself and her children. She has collaborated with renowned brands like Estée Lauder, Skechers, and Coca-Cola, among others. Retail ventures. Kris Jenner has ventured into the retail industry by launching her own clothing line called Kris Jenner Collection. The brand offers a range of fashion items, including clothing, accessories, and fragrances. Beauty ventures. Kris Jenner's foray into the beauty industry includes the launch of the KKW beauty brand with her daughter Kim Kardashian. The brand offers a wide range of makeup and skincare products, which have garnered immense popularity and commercial success. Real estate investments. Kris Jenner has invested heavily in real estate. She has purchased and sold multiple properties, including luxurious mansions in Los Angeles. The value of these properties has significantly contributed to her overall net worth. Book publishing. Kris Jenner has authored books, including her memoir, Kris Jenner, Deep in All Things Kardashian, and the cookbook, In the Kitchen with Kris, a collection of Kardashian-Jenner family favorites. These publications have not only generated revenue but have also further solidified her personal brand. Philanthropic endeavors. Kris Jenner actively participates in charitable initiatives and philanthropy. She has been involved in causes such as cancer research and advocacy for women's rights. Kris Jenner's net worth and investments are a testament to her exceptional entrepreneurial skills and her ability to capitalize on the fame and influence of her family. Through strategic business ventures, brand endorsements, and the successful reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, she has cemented her position as a savvy businesswoman and influential figure in the entertainment industry. As Kris Jenner continues to explore new opportunities and expand her portfolio, her net worth is expected to grow further, solidifying her status as the ultimate momager.